Alright, you guys, so I got the engine. It's a 305, just a little small little engine to start out with, just to learn the car and stuff like that, and learn the physics of drifting. So I got the engine last night, and I didn't look at it, nothing like that, because it was late, and I was like, I'm gonna just save that for tomorrow. So I'm about to just take the valve covers off and check it out and see how everything looking in there and make sure no rust and all like that, just see what I need to rebuild. I tried to turn it over a little bit. It did a little bit, but again, it's on the ground. I don't have an engine stand yet. So, it looks like a turnover. I mean, I don't know what could be happening. I don't know. So, that's what we're going to do. So, I'm going to come back to you when I'm about to take the valve covers off because I don't have anywhere to set you up at. Alright, so we're going to see together what's the punter here. Hopefully, it's no rust. Oh wow, actually looks cleaner than I thought it was gonna be. There's really no, oh shoot, that's a lot of sludge in there. Yeah, but I mean, it's a little loose, but it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be though. So that's a plus. It's not as bad, so it's not good though, but it's not as bad. So I'm gonna take the other one off too, just so, you know what I mean? One might be worn than the other, one might be blew out, you never know. So let me go ahead and check the other side. Alright, so we're gonna see how this side looks. Hopefully it's not as bad. I say this side actually looks better. Yeah, this side looks better than the other side. Which neither one is that bad, but you know, this one's just better. So I'm trying to figure out what else I can take apart. I might take the front end off. Not the front end, but the, you know what I'm saying, the front stuff of the engine off. Yeah. Actually, you know, I'm gonna take the spark plugs out too, to see what's in there. I'm not gonna take the heads off yet though. That's gonna be when I get the engine stand. So I should be getting that soon. My birthday is tomorrow, but you will be seeing this on my birthday. So if you watch this video, you can say happy birthday to me if you want to. You don't have to, but yeah. So I did say I was gonna wait till I get the engine stand to record me taking the heads off and the intake and stuff like that off. But really, I'm about to just do it right now, honestly. I'm just sitting here like, man, should I do it? I don't know. But I'm like, you know what, screw it, I'm gonna just do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that video. I might can set you up somewhere. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna try to. So I'm gonna just take the top end off and just make it to a short block basically, and you'll see that. It's not really that bad. But I can tell it was left outside though. Let me show you guys. This is the intake manifold with the carburetor. That wasn't a good idea. Take this out. Alright, the carburetor goes on top of here, and that's basically a throttle right there. That's where your fuel goes in, the air goes in there, and It's not really that bad. It's really not. Except that cylinder and that cylinder. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the heads off, and then, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set this to the side. I was trying to stack all the push rods in the right place, but forget it. So I'm gonna set those in now. Come show y'all what. That's what this side look like. You can see. Yeah. Ooh, let's keep all the bolts in there. Let's keep all the bolts. Cool, cool, cool. Now set the other one off. Let's go. So this is the engine. Yeah, that cylinder has water in it. Have to get that out or something. I don't know. But it's not as bad as the other side though. The other side has rust on it and stuff like that. Let me show you the other side. I don't think I got a chance to show you this. But you see that rust, and then some rust a little bit up under there. But everything else looks about good. Tomorrow I might pull the, no, I can't even pull the cam out because I can't get the valley car off because this is there and I don't have an engine stand. So I still be getting one soon. But yeah, all the lifters look good. It's a flat tappet cam, flat tappet lifter, whatever you call it. Yeah. But yeah, that's everything. And I'm gonna just say that's a wrap for this video. I just wanted to get it down to the short block. This is the short block. For people that don't know that, this is the short block. Pistons, crankshaft, cam, stuff like that. Only thing you don't have is the head and up.